So what's up, world? I'm John Vaughn. I have not been to bed yet because I have been doing some work and trying to make a little money. But I figured I would make a video real quick for some of you people. Most of the world will not be interested in this because you guys are stupid as fuck. The rest of the world, you may want to know this because I have had several people ask me, what the fuck is the string array args? So, we are going to find out. If you don't know what string array args are, then you're going to find out right now when you watch this video. I'm going to show you. Let's see. So what I want to do is notepad test.java. I already got a test.java, but anyways, here's what we'll do. We'll write a brand new test.java. Let's bring this guy over here. Now let's write our test.java. So we need public class test. Alright, so there's our class. Public static void main. And here's the mysterious string array args. Alright. Let's see. So we need system.out.println. Test is working. What is string array args? Alright, so let's check it out. Here. Ends main. Ends class. That's the best way to do that. Let's give us another line right here. There we go. Let's save this. Let's go ahead and compile this. Javac test.java. Go ahead and compile our program real quick. Our program's compiling. Looks like just got done compiling. Looks like PUBLIC. I spelled that wrong. Let's go back and recompile it. Oh, it compiled. Let's run our program. Java test. Oop, test is working. What is string? Alright, so string array args are just the arguments that you pass to the program whenever you call it. Or whenever you start it. Watch. Just like this. Alright. So, let's see. System.out. Alright, look, here we go. For int x equals 0, x less than args.length x plus plus system.out.println. This was an argument. It is at string plus, we want to give it x plus and the arg alright, so that should sum it up. Now you can figure out, recompile our program. That's compiling music. Alright, program compiled. Let's say Java test. Alright, what I want you to notice here, guys, is look at our program, look at our output. I do some system.out print lines. All it does is print stuff to the console. So what I print out, test is working. What is string array args? So here's string array args. So here's the line that actually prints that out. Test is working. What is string array args? Tells you right here. String array args are just the arguments that you pass to the program whenever you call it or start it. Watch, just like this. Now, here you go, you see, watch, just like this. Now you see the next thing is I have a for loop. Alright, so I'm going to loop through something, I'm going to repeat something. How many times am I going to repeat it? Well, I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to repeat it as many times as it takes to equal the length of the arguments. So as you can see, I print out something else. This was an argument, it is at string, then I print position x from this for loop, whatever the value is there, and the argument is actually, and then we actually want to print out what the argument's value is. As you can see, that never printed out at all, right? That's because you didn't pass any arguments to your program. How do you pass arguments to your program? Well, whenever you call it Java test, you just give it some arguments. Just give it some args. Now, if you look, see the difference between the code that we had before the printout and now the printout that we have? Look, I called Java test, just like I did here, Java test. Over here, I don't have no arguments, so nothing prints out here. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arguments, so I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 statements that says this was an argument. It is at string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the argument is just give it some args. So there's just, there's give, there's it, there's some, there's args. So this args right here, I can access it just by calling string 4. This just right here, I can access it just by calling string 0. I can find out what those arguments are. So that is what string args are. I know a lot of you program, and every time you write a Java program, you know in your main program, if it's a multi-class program or whatever, you have to have a main function, and that main function will not work unless you give it this variable as a parameter, string array args. And I know that 90% of you programmers out there have no fucking clue what this is right here or what to do with it. Now you know these are just program arguments that you can pass in whenever you actually call the program, and they can be there. So you could actually use this to set different variables. So you could use this to set different values in your program dynamically before you run them. So now you know what a string array is, what string array args are in the main method of your Java program. If you still don't know that, rewind this video, watch it again, look at this program. You see the args getting printed out right here. You see these arguments. I'm printing them out right here. You see me giving them to my program right here. Here's the same program. When I don't give them none, let's run that program again. Give it no arguments. Let's run that program again and give it one argument. There's our one argument. Okay, we can run that program again and give it 2 arguments. There's our 1 and 2. You see, we're importing information into our program. This information right here actually comes whenever we call our program and feed it the argument. So if you still don't understand, rewind this video, watch it again. Still don't understand, rewind, watch it again. Still don't understand, copy this code that you see here, write your own program, compile it, run it, see if you understand. Still don't understand, it may be a good idea to shoot yourself in the face. I'm John Vaughn, and I'm going to motherfucking bed now. Actually, I'm going back to work.